experiencing lag spikes in CS2 can be frustrating, but there are several steps you can take to improve your gaming experience. Follow this guide to help reduce or eliminate lag spikes. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. Use a wired connection if possible, as it is generally more reliable than Wi-Fi. You can also run a speed test to check your download and upload speeds. Step 2. Optimize game settings. Adjust the graphics settings in CS2 to lower levels. Reducing the resolution, texture quality, and disabling unnecessary visual effects can help improve performance and reduce lag spikes. Step 3. Update drivers. Make sure your graphics card and network drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website to download the latest drivers, as updates can fix bugs and improve performance. Step 4. Close background applications. Before launching CS2, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Programs like web browsers, streaming services, or downloads can consume bandwidth and processing power, leading to lag spikes. Step 5. Configure network settings. Adjust your network settings for optimal performance. You can change your DNS settings to a faster server, enable quality of service QoS on your router, or prioritize gaming traffic to ensure a smoother experience. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your gaming performance and a reduction in lag spikes. Enjoy your time in CS2.